Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your
Good morning students, welcome you all. I am your new faculty of Maths. Today we are proceed about chapter number 7, exponents and power. So let's proceed. Now what is exponent? A repeated addition of number itself can be written as product of number of times it is added and the number itself. What does it mean? Suppose here I am taking an example 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is repeated addition. हमें उसे बार बार ऐड करना है, तो हम उसको किस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं? The number of times it is added. How many times number are added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is here. And number itself. Which number is this? 7. So repeated addition can be written as product form. Okay? Similarly, ये आपने क्लास 6 में देखा होगा. Similarly, the continued product of the number multiplied with itself a number of times can be written as exponential form. Means ये था आपका रिपीटेड एडिशन. अगर रिपीटेड मल्टीप्लीकेशन आ जाए, जैसे 7 मल्टीप्लाई 7 मल्टीप्लाई 7 मल्टीप्लाई 7 5 टाइम्स, so it can be written as in exponential form. How can we write? Which number is this? 7, and how many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 raised to the power 5. How it can pronounce? 7 raised to the power 5, or we can say fifth power of 7. Okay. So here some powers have their special names. Like what we called is 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 2. Here 5 is base. 5 is called base and 2 is called exponent. Exponent. And some special name means 5 raised to the power 2 is also called 5 squared. What is called? 5 squared. And what is this? 5 raised to the power 3. 5 is base and 3 is exponent. So it is called 5 cubed. 5 cubed. Cube means power 3. Okay. So for any non-zero rational number, say A is any non-zero rational number. Okay. So first condition is if A raised to the power 1, then you will get A. Same A. For example, 7 raised to the 7 एक रेशनल नंबर है, उसकी पावर 1, तो उसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? सेम 7. -3 है, -3 raised to the power 1, same answer -3 means A. Second case is A raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0, any rational number, any non-zero rational number raised to the power 0 always give you answer 1. Okay. Same case if I take instead of 1 0, so 7 raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay. And -3 raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay. Now next case हम देखते हैं -1 raised to the power 4. -1 का केस देखते हैं. -1 raised to the power 4 means -1 can be written as product. Product for how many times? Power 4 times. So -1 multiply -1 multiply -1 multiply -1. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because exponent, my exponent is 4. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 is 1. And if I take talking about the signs, then minus minus is plus, plus minus is minus, again minus minus is plus. So you will get plus 1, or we can say 1. Second case is -1 raised to the power 5. -1 raised to the power 5 means -1 can be written as the product of 5 times of -1. So -1 multiply -1 multiply -1. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. 1 का 5 टाइम प्रोडक्ट कितना होगा? 1 ही होगा. ओके, देन माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, minus minus plus and plus minus, again you will get minus. So what remark we have to note here is, if -1 raised to the power 4 is even number, what is even number? Which can be divided by 2, remainder is 0. So -1 raised to the power 4, that is, it is even number. Okay, so we will get plus. And if -1 raised to the power odd number, your answer will be in minus. So what remark here is, if -1 raised to the power any odd number, you always get -1. Okay, and if -1 raised to the power even number, which this case, if you take -1 raised to the power 6, -1 raised to the power 60, -1 raised to the power 600, all are even numbers, you always get plus 1. If you take -1 raised to the power 51, -1 raised to the power 530, these are odd numbers, so your answer will be in -1. So if -1 raised to the power odd number, you always get minus sign with 1. And if -1 raised to the power even number, you will get plus 1. Okay, let's start with your exercise number 13.1. So here is find the value of 2 raised to the power 6. What is it called? 2 raised to the power 6. 2 is base and 6 is exponent. So it can be written as the product repetition of their product. So which number is this? 2. How many times can I return? 6. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. How many times? 6 times. Okay. So find the value. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64. Okay. 2 raised to the power 6. We can return it as repeated form of multiplication. So we'll get 64. Question number 2 is 5 raised to the power 4. So how many times can I return 5? 4 times. And sign is multiply. Okay. So 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. Okay. Now 11 square. 11 square means 11 raised to the power 2. So which number is this? 11. How many times can I return? 2 times. And in between multiplication. So 11 multiply 11 is 121. Clear? Okay, अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 13.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. आपको बताना है इस नंबर को एक्सपोनेंशियल नोटेशन में, मींस पावर नोटेशन में. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन आपने किया होगा, सेम चीज हमें यहाँ पे करनी है. इसके नंबर से 5 और 2 से. ओके, लास्ट में 2 है, 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. सो 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. That is 256. अगेन लास्ट में 6 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल, बाय 2 हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. इस तरह से आपको नहीं आ रहा तो आप साइड में डिवाइड करके कर सकते हैं. लाइक 256 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 2 1s are 2, 5, 2 2s are 4, minus 5 minus 4 is 1. Then 6, 2 8s are 16. Okay, so you get 128. सेम प्रोसीड करना है. अगेन 2 से 2, 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. अगेन 2 से हो सकता है 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. अगेन लास्ट में 2 है, 2 से डिवाइजिबल हो सकता है। 2, 16 2s are 36, then 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. ओके, सो इसे हमें एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखना है। सो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आर 2 हियर? is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 5 and 2 can be written as product of 2 times 9. So it can be written as product of 2 times 9. So it can be written as 2 base, 2 as a base, and power is how many times it is repeated? 9 times. So 5 and 2 can be written in as exponential form, 2 raised to the power 9. Hope you are clear. Okay. Second question is 729. Same method. 729. Here the unit place is not divisible by 2. Okay. So let's check it by 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Yes, addition of all the digits. So 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, and 3 is divisible by 18. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. Again, if you have difficulty to solve this, you can directly divide 729 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 1 and 2, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. So you will get 2 4 3. Okay. Again, it is divisible by 3. Why? Add all the digits. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So you can again divide it by 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. If you have to problem to directly solve this, try this. Again 8 plus 1 9. Again it is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Remaining 2, 3 7s are 21. So you get 27. Again 7 plus 2, 9. Again it is divisible by 3. So 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So what is the exponential form of 729? Is it can be written as product of 3. So how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So it can be written as exponential form of what is number which is repeated? That is 3. And how many times it is repeated? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So it can be written as 3 raised to the power 6. Hope you are clear. Okay. So last one is 3125. Same 3125. Check whether it is divided by 3 or not. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. And 11 is not divisible by 3. So you can't divide it by 3. So let's check another by the prime number, that is 5. And you know the divisibility rule of 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5? Unit place पे क्या होना चाहिए? या तो 5 होना चाहिए या क्या होना चाहिए? 0. And we have 5 over here. So divided it by 5. So 5 6 are 30. 1 is here. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Clear? You are not able to do this, direct divide 3125 by 5. 5 6 are 30. 1 over here, then 2. 5 2s are 10. 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, then 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 625. Again, its unit place is 5. You can easily divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10, and again 5 5s are 25. Okay, again 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. You have to stop here when you will get 1 over here. Okay, so we have to write 3125 into exponential form. That is, first we have to write in the repeated multiplication, then you know how repeated multiplication can be written as in exponential form. So how many times 5 is here? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. How many times? 5 times. So base is 5. And how many times it is repeated? 5 times. So 5 raised to the power 5. Okay, hope you are clear. And remaining sum जो बच रहे हैं वो आपको होमवर्क में करने रहेंगे. Okay.